Hey, this is Reuven Lerner. If you're like me, then your email inbox has been flooded over the last few days with all sorts of offers for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I don't want to annoy you more than necessary. I just want to let you know that you have 1 day left till the end of Monday to get a 50% discount on any of my Python courses. I've got 8 video courses for people who are learning Python, for people who want to learn data science, for people who want to learn Git. If any of this applies to you, then you should definitely take a look at my online store because I'm giving 50% off all these courses. I'm also giving 50% off all 6 of the cohorts I'm going to be running in 2020 of weekly Python exercise. If you already know Python and you just want to strengthen your understanding of it, there's no better way for you to improve your skills than regular, constant exercise, discussion, and interactions with other people. I've built weekly Python exercise and my courses based on the 20 years I've been teaching programming and Python at companies around the world. If you want to learn Python, if you want to improve your skills, now's the time to act. If you have any questions, contact me, but I hope that you'll join me in one or more of my courses online and over the coming year. Thanks very much.